The hands become the sword and dagger. The shins and forearm were hardened in training to act as armor against blows. And the elbow to the opponent like a heavy mace or a hammer. The legs and knees became an axe and staff. The body operated as one unit, the knees and elbows constantly searching and testing for an opening while grappling and trying to spin an enemy to the ground for the kill. And as you see, they've got, normally the fighters will have the mongkon, which is the headpiece. It's very sacred, and it's been blessed by the Buddhas, and also blessed by the White Crew is also a ritualistic dance carried out before fighters engage in the ring. The tradition dates back several centuries, and it's meant to show honor to the fighter's teacher, the sport of Muay Thai, and his country. The Rum Muay dance is unique in each master, so every gym have their own dances. And it's really pretty much to exercise and getting yourself, so to speak, psych yourself for the fight. Normally in the ring, they will dance in 4 directions. And of course, when you see the corner, they will be touching each corner as a praying and paying respect to their master. So mind you, I don't know which one is which. Jimmy came from New York, and he's only been training about, I'd say, 3 weeks. You know, we also have the world champions that will be performing the real White Crew for you to see as well. Normally they have the headpiece, which is called mongkon, and mongkon would only be removed by their master, and it's been blessed. And there should be like an amulet or pajia, which is an armband. Now all of these things or equipments are there to help spiritually and also mentally before they fight. And what we're going to show you as well is some pad work. When kids come and train in the gym, there are course or steps of training that they go through to work out, to warm up, and then they're also taught various techniques of Muay Thai.
You know, watch them when they're doing it.
Sometimes in the real fight, you see the fighters, they go in the same direction. And there's, even with the Rum Muay here, there's a storytelling. They tell a story that they want to shoot them with an arrow, they miss, they don't miss, they get them, or whatnot. So here's the master will be taking